So we are going to be making some super yummy slushies. They're going to be cold, which is super nice because as you can see, it's pretty hot out and pretty sunny today. So I really just am craving a slushie, and I really think that a slushie sounds really good right now. So let's make some slushies. So you are going to need a few things. First of all, you need scissors. These are sharp, so please be careful with them. And then a towel or an oven mitt or like a mitten, whatever works for you so that your hands don't get too cold. And then 2 cups of ice and your super cool Twilight Camp kit and hopefully some cool Twilight Camp shirts. So let's look at our instructions. So it looks like the first thing that we have to do is find the closable bag with the juice pouch and the second bag and the salt crystals, and this has the Twilight Camp logo on it. So now we're going to open up our bag here. So this bag has salt, and inside of this bag it looks like there's a juice box. So let's take the straw off this juice box, and it looks like now we have to put the juice box in the bag with the salt crystals. Make sure not to open your juice box or anything like that. It's just gonna, sit in here with the salt crystals. Like so. After that step, then you're gonna have to add the 2 cups of ice into the bag with the juice box and the salt. So let's just pour these right on in. 1 bag of ice, or 1 cup of ice, 2 cups of ice. So as you can see, we have a super cool situation going on. Now make sure you try and get all the ice out of here, and make sure that you have help from an adult, just to make sure that you get all that air out of it. Secure the bag down, and after that you're going to want to put this bag inside of this bag to prevent any leaks, because make sure that you put this bag inside this bag once again to prevent any leaks. And then after that step, it's time to shake and squeeze the bag so that the ice and water move around to get that juice box placed in. Set a timer for 10 minutes because that is how long we're going to be shaking for. And if you're wondering, well, why do we have salt in there? And that is just to make it extra cold. So because it's going to be so cold, you're going to want to take your towel or whatever you're using to shake so that your hands don't get too cold. So let's start our timer. Okay, I think we're coming up to our last few seconds. We only have a few seconds left. Oh, there our timer goes. Stop. Okay, so let's see what is next on the instructions. So, we are supposed to, once it's firm, and it is firm, I can tell, carefully remove it from the bags and rinse it with cold water to remove any salt. So, as you can see, the reason why we double bagged is because the bags are most likely gonna leak or pop, and mine did leak. As you can see, this is the bigger bag. That's why we double bag, because, oopsies, I really don't feel like getting wet right now. I'm not in a swimsuit. I'm in my amazing Twilight Camp shirt. Okay, so as you can see, there's salt and water remains in this, and I can feel it's kind of firm and it's not juice anymore. So let's go and rinse this with water. And we're doing this just to get any salt off of it, because we do not want salt on us or on our hands or anything we're about to drink, because that would be just salty and gross. So let's sit down here and let's look at the bottom if this is a consistency we want. And I think it looks still like juice. I don't know. It was pretty icy, so maybe it's just because it's hot outside, but we'll see when we cut it open. So let's cut off this corner here. And let's pour this into our Twilight Camp. Whoa, the cup is changing colors. So as you can see, there's that thick stuff. Like this. Ooh, yum. Thick. So let's just add all that actual slushy stuff out. So I think that mine didn't work because I was outside. So I recommend doing this inside if you can. but it still tastes like a slushie a lot, actually. And it's really, really, really nummy. As you can see, our cups change color. Isn't that so cool? And if you're wondering, well, why do the cups change color? They change color because the cup is made using thermochromic plastic. I hope I'm saying that right. So the capsules of the liquid, which is called leukodye, they're mixed into the plastic. So then when the cup becomes cold, the molecules like realign into a crystal pattern, so it reflects a wavelength of light, making the outside of the cup green. So this slushie was actually really good. I do recommend doing it outside if you like a thicker consistency. And this is what the consistency looks like. Mine is more liquidy. It's not like straight juice. There's like some good...
It looks like Jell-O.
Yeah, there's some good chunks in there. But I recommend doing it inside if you want like a thicker consistency, because mine's a little bit liquidier, if that's a word. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make slushies. Hopefully yours was really good, and hopefully it turned out well. I hope you have so much fun with Twilight Camp and have a great summer.